Well, we needed a new furnace in the first time we purchased from Mattawan because our fuel bills were extremely high. It was in a mobile home, and we needed a new air conditioner. So they did an excellent job there. And then we moved and we came here and called them again because the furnace down there was so old. It was older than the house, and they did an even better job here than they did at the mobile home.
Basically because they sell a good product, Train's a very good product, and just they're very professional. Right down from the sales rep to the technicians putting it in, tearing the old one out, cleaning up their mess. You couldn't even tell they were here.
No.
They did a great job.
Yeah, perfect. I would recommend Mattawan Mechanical for many reasons, being that they come on time, they are very clean, they're very efficient, they're very friendly, they do a very good job. That's why I'd recommend them, and we're very pleased.
Yeah. We've had them twice, and I would have them again if I needed.